Hey guys, if your vehicle has got a little bit of a tick, tick, tick right when you start it, but it goes away after you drive it, this video is for you. So I did a ton of research. There's nothing wrong with this truck, but it had that tick and it would go away. Well, what I come to find, by the way, this is not a commercial. I'm not going to tell you to buy something. There's nothing wrong with this vehicle, this truck I'm in, but it had this little tick. I come to find that under low oil pressure, it's common. And the way to resolve it is you can go on Amazon and buy a zinc additive to add to your engine oil. I'm not going to recommend one in particular. There's a million different types. But if you add zinc additive to your engine oil, my experience, it got rid of about 80% of the tick. So I'm very happy with it, and I know that I've added a layer of protection. The cause this buy away is inadequate lubrication under low oil pressure. That's why the tick goes away after the vehicle warms up. So hope this helps. Have a good day, guys.